Chevy. I'm whipping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. Okay. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding.
Tune in for another one. Excuse the tape. Yeah, man, I heard fooling with the Chevy, man, trying to piece the puzzle, man. Just a little bit by a little bit. Like I said, excuse the tape. That's just like you gotta see the vision, right? You know what I'm saying? Make sure we got all our pieces to the Landau trim. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. But it do look different, you know what I'm saying? It kind of set it off. Look, stay with me. See the vision, okay? I know it's looking kind of ghetto right now, but stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. So the way it's looking, I got pretty much everything I need. I know my boy Dramo said he needed this piece and this piece, so I'ma holler at you on that shit, so we can figure out how to put the motherfucking like a long tube or something. You know what I'm saying? Get it to you so you can put that two all together up there. My boy Willie said he needed some Landau rocker panel trim. So shit, I got that. I was just was getting it all laid out. You know what I'm saying? Shit, make sure that it's all there and it's complete. I mean, it's a couple of spots or whatever, but shit, to find the trim alone, shit is like a motherfucking unicorn. So Willie down in New Braunfels, man, holler at me. I'ma holler at you before this video probably drop, but you know what I'm saying? Shit, two-door trim. It's yours if you want it for the right price. Cause baby need a new windshield, you know what I'm saying? And some other shit. Need a new bumper filler, you know what I'm saying? So help me help y'all. For real, for real. Same thing with you, Dre. I'ma holler at you. Shit, shoot your price, we'll figure out the shipping and all that shit. And, you know what I'm saying? Get your shit together too. Help me help you. I wanna say that's pretty much a wrap, man. I've been looking online, I've been seeing like the different little clips and shit that you need to put this shit together. All the holes and shit where mine originally was, like they sanded it down. Let me see. You might be able to kind of see some spots. Let me see. But yeah, it's right here along this line. So I think you can see one really good right there, where it was like a little hole and they filled it. Because actually on the other side, they actually left the hole open. Let me show you. See, they actually left the hole right there. So why you would cover up the fucking Landau trim holes, I have no fucking idea. Shout out to you, whoever you are, that covered up the Landau trim holes and shit. You are a special motherfucking individual. But yeah, see the vision, man. Maybe they was gonna go, maybe they wasn't gonna go with the Landau trim. Maybe they said if they ain't had the whole Landau trim, they wasn't fooling with it. But guess what? Your boy got the whole Landau trim. It's lit. So, like I said, it's still a little small shit, man. I had a bumper filler. I mean, it's painted the same color as the car, but it's shit. So I'm going to scratch that shit. Probably a lot of y'all been wondering about this motherfucker right here. Let me show y'all. If anybody else necessarily needs this Part number. Let's see. Man, I bought these shits like I bought this shit like years ago, man. I wanna say I bought them from Rock Auto and shit. So if anybody need the keys to the plug on these lenses, you know what I'm saying? I'll show you what we're working with here. So brand new corner lights, you know what I'm saying? All you gotta do, take the corner lights, insert. Hold on, y'all. Let me put this together right. Let me give y'all the vision, man. I'm gonna fucking put it off in there, but for whatever reason, it's not a city. It could just because it's some aftermarket shit, and the aftermarket shit sometimes fits a little bit differently, but you can see it coming together. You know what I'm saying? And I got the left hand and the right hand side. If you go on Rock Auto, man. They have them. If you don't want to go on Rock Auto and you just want to look up some part numbers, this right here is for the right hand side. Pictures on the motherfucker. Well, on that one, they got a picture. This one don't have a fucking picture. Or the pictures on the corner. So this one on the corner, left hand side, 8790 Caprice, TYC part number 181860-01, quantity 1, left hand side. That's the GM part number, GM 2550102. And then over here, you got TYC part number 18185901. So it's a 1-digit difference from that one. And it's gonna be your right hand side. You know what I'm saying? So if there was anybody that I think it was somebody that was asking me about some corner lights or some shit. I haven't ran across none in the junkyard. Last time I went to the junkyard, I grabbed the headlights, but didn't grab the fucking bezels and shit. I was just trying to make sure. I got in a rush, y'all, and shit. I was just trying to fucking grab the headlights. But yeah, now, you know what I'm saying, I didn't grab the fucking bezel. So if you just need the lights, you know what I'm saying, then you should be able to find them. I don't think the bezels is too hard to find. I haven't actually looked, but I would imagine that they're not that hard to find. So, yeah. So, like I said, just out here, man, trying to piece the puzzle, man, get some shit sorted out so we can go ahead and get the Chevy done. Get some parts sold, buy some new windshield, get to a cruise in. Like I low key been giving people a warning, like, yeah, man, I got a car I'm finna bring out. Yeah. So if I could only get these funky ass wipers to work. You know what I'm saying? Shit, we get some more. We sell enough parts, shit, we'll buy a new fucking wiper motor too. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. So, it's your boy, LSR 254, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength, man. Man, make sure y'all hit that like button, that comment button, that subscribe button, all them buttons. Hit them bitches. Like, dislike, comment, subscribe, share. all that. Also, make sure you check the link down in the description box below, and make sure you go get you some merch, man. It's your boy, Gone.